హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు సివిల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు మనం నేర్చుకోబోయే టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే మూమెంట్ ఆఫ్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ సింగ్లీ రీఇన్ఫోర్స్డ్ బీమ్. ఓకే, మన క్వశ్చన్ ఈ విధంగా అడిగితే ఏం చేయాలంటే, బై యూజింగ్ M20 Fe415 స్టీల్, ఫస్ట్ వీ వాంట్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ద XU of this beam, the singly reinforced beam. The formula of XU is equal to 0.87 Fy AST by 0.36 FCK B. Here B is breadth of the beam, something 230. First, to substitute this formula, we want to calculate the AST. Okay, AST is equal to, here is 416 dia bars. AST formula is, there are 4 numbers, 4 into pi by 4 into dia square. Dia is 16 square is equal to, calculate this. Here we get the answer is 804.24 mm square. Okay, next we want to find, you have AST. Fy is Fe415 is the Fy. M20 is the FCK. Okay, we have all the values. Now find out the XU. Okay, substitute these values. 0.87 into Fy is 415 into AST 804.24 by 0.36 into FCK M20 FCK 20 into 230. Calculate this, we get the answer XU. Here the answer is 175.34. mm. We want to find out the XU max. The formula for Fe415 steel, XU max is 0.48D. 0.48 into, here we want effective depth. Effective depth is 360. Okay, the answer is XU max is 172.8. 172.8. The XU greater than the XU max is, the section is over reinforced section. XU greater than XU max is OR section. OR means over reinforced. Okay, now we want to calculate the MR. MR means moment of resistance of this beam. For over reinforced section, the formula of MR is 0.36 FCK B XU max. into d minus 0.42 XU max. If the section gets under reinforced, we want to take the formula. MR formula for under reinforced section is 0.87 Fy AST into d minus 0.42 XU. This is the formula for under reinforced section. Okay, now we want over reinforced section. We want to use this formula. Okay, let's substitute these values. Equal to 0.36 FCK. FCK is this into 20 into B. B is breadth. That is 230 into XU max. XU max is 172.8 into D. Depth is called effective depth 360. Effective depth 360 minus 0.42 XU max into XU max 172.8. Calculate this, we get MR of this beam. Here we get the answer is 82.24 into 10 to the power 6 Newton into mm. It want to convert to kilonewtons. 82.24 kilonewton into meter. Here is the moment of resistance of this section. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియో మీకు బాగా నచ్చింది అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం సివిల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి.